If you are planning on wolfing down black licorice for Halloween, you may want to choose something less risky to your heart, like candy corn. Not that candy corn is good for your heart. It's not even really corn, in case you didn't know. But at least there's no Food and Drug Administration (FDA) warning about candy corn such as this. The video concludes by saying that the FDA wishes you a happy and safe Halloween. Who knew that the FDA could be so much fun? As the video explains, the cuplerate is a substance in black licorice named glycyrrhizin, which, in addition to being tricky to pronounce when your mouth is full of black licorice, may result in a decrease in potassium levels in your body. Drops in potassium levels can lead to abnormal heart rhythms, high blood pressure, muscle weakness, swelling, and even heart failure. The risk is particularly higher if you are over 40 years old and eat more than 2 ounces of black licorice a day for at least 2 weeks, as indicated by the United Kingdom's National Health Service. But this does not mean if you are 39 years and 364 days old you are in the clear. Eating large amounts of black licorice may be risky for younger folks as well. Depending on who you are, you may find this warning either meaningless or distressing. Black licorice is a bit like Ben Affleck as Batman. People seem to either really love it or hate it. In fact, as Megan Holohan described for NBC News, you may even be born with this preference. Apparently some have an innate affinity for something that tastes like NyQuil. Speaking of NyQuil, some people even use black licorice as a treatment for certain ailments. As described by WebMD, there is some scientific evidence that black licorice may help relieve eczema by rubbing it and not eating it, heartburn by eating it, and cough after removing a breathing tube used during surgery. There are plenty of other claims about black licorice not backed by strong evidence, such as that it can be used to treat canker sores, high cholesterol, hepatitis, and obesity. Black licorice can also interfere with some medications such as decreasing the effectiveness of warfarin, Coumadin and estrogen pills. Therefore, if you are taking any medications, check with your doctor before eating black licorice. Of course, not everything that appears to be licorice or is even called licorice is really licorice. Red licorice is actually just licorice flavored candy. So don't worry about Halloweening yourself off Twizzlers. Happy Halloween!